Hello everyone, hope you're all having a wonderful day. We're going to do a bit of work on our maths again, and we've been working on combining numbers, and today we're going to work on partitioning numbers. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to play a game again, because you know I love to play different maths games. They're lots and lots of fun. So this game, I have here different dots. Oops, I'll put them this way. Different dots drawn on pages. So let's just have a look at these. How many dots is on this page? It's 1. Yeah. Let's count the dots on this page. 1, 2. And let's count the dots on this page. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to take them away. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you one of them really quickly, like this. And then I'm going to take it away. And you have to see if you can remember how many dots were on that page. So you're only going to see it for a few seconds. So let's start. Okay. Everybody ready? Everybody concentrating? I can't hear you. Great. Let's go. How many dots were on that? There was 1, 2. Excellent. Okay, let's try another one. Did anybody catch that one? How many dots were on that page? There was 1. Excellent. Okay, let's try another one. Was that too quick? I think you might have gotten it. Did anyone see how many were on that? Anyone catch the number of dots on that page? There was 3. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Okay, so next we are going to play the tokens in a tin game again. So remember, this game is all about listening. Really carefully, you're listening for how many tokens you can hear dropping into the tin. Okay, let's get started. This time I'm not going to show you. I'm going to put them in the tin and then I'll put them up there. So you have to listen really, really carefully. Okay. How many was that, boys and girls? 2. 1, 2. Try it again. Is everybody ready? Ooh, how many was that, boys and girls? Just 1. And if I was to add in another token, how many have we got now? We have 1 and 1 makes 2. So 1 and 1 makes 2. Okay, let's play this game again. Everybody listening really, really carefully. Ooh, that was a tricky one, wasn't it? How many was that, boys and girls? 3. Excellent. Okay, so let's play with some of these little tokens for a minute. So if I have So, how many tokens have I on this side of the tin? Let's count them. 1, 2. And how many tokens have I got on this side of the tin? Oh, we just have 1, don't we? But how many tokens are there all together? 1, 2, 3. So 2 and 1 make 3. Super. What if I was to put the pen this way? Now how many tokens on this side? Just 1. And how many tokens on this side? We have 1, 2. So how many tokens have we got all together? 1, 2, 3. So 1 and 2 make 3. Very good. Let's have another look at this. See what else I can find. Oops, not that. There we go. I'll rub these out. This is what we were doing the other day, wasn't it? So, now, I'll get my cars again. So I have my cars that I had the other day. So if I put my pen this way, now we've partitioned our set of cars. So we had a set of cars and I partitioned it with my pen. And can anybody tell me how many have I got on this side? So over on this side. You're right, I have 1, 2. I need to take my pen, I'll need to find something else. So here we have 2. And 1 second, boys and girls. Oh, here we go. Found a little stick. There we go. So on this side, how many have we got? 1. Excellent. And all together, how many have we got? 1, 2, 3. So all together in the set, we have 3. We have 2 on this side and 1 on this side. So 2 and 1 all together makes 3. And if I was to put it this way, now how many have we got? On this side we have 1. You're right. And how many have we got on this side? We have 2. 1, 2. So how many have we got all together in our set? 1, 2, 3. Excellent. So 1 and 2 make 3. And if we put it back this way, 2 and 1 make 3. See what else I can find here. Okay, little Lego men and women. Here we go. I found some of these when I was going around. Now this time I'm just going to use 2. So, how many have I got on this side? We have 1. Excellent. And on this side, how many have we got, boys and girls? We have 1 as well. So 1 and 1 all together make how many? How many have we got all together in our set? 1, 2. Excellent. So 1 and 1 make 2. Now if we move this girl over here and we add in another 1. Now how many have we got? Well, on this side we now have 1, 2. And on this side we have 1. So all together, how many have we got? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Great. Now, if you can do some practicing of this at home, boys and girls, that would be great. You can find 3 different things and a stick or a pencil and see if you can partition them in different ways and see how many you have on both sides. And then you can turn to page 59 in your maths book and maybe do some of the work in that book of partitioning the numbers. Really great work today, boys and girls. Well done, everyone.